Bangladesh. From the top over there, entire plains up to Bangladesh, and sitting on the top over there, you can see the entire peaks up to your Bhutan, inside Bhutan.
আমাদের ভাইরা অরুণাচল থেকে আসছে। অরুণাচল থেকে সামনে তো নিজে উঠবে। এই জায়গাটার নাম হলো নৌকাঘাট। নৌকাঘাট কেন জানি না, নৌকার কোনো ঘাট নাই, বাসের ঘাট আছে। গুড মর্নিং দিদি।
This is the Tista River canal, okay? This is the canal water.
Portoa Bridge, Portoa নদী। মানুষটা সবচেয়ে বড় না?
মানুষ অনেক বড়, সবচেয়ে বড় না, অনেক বড়।
সবচেয়ে বড় কোনটা রাস্তা?
আমাদের এই মুহূর্তে সুন্দরবন বড়, 4000 স্কোয়ার কিলোমিটার।
সুন্দরবন বাদে মানে সমতলের বনের মানে ইয়ার বনের ম্যানগ্রোভ বাদে
পাহাড়ে ডিবাং ভ্যালি আছে। ডিবাং ভ্যালি প্রচুর বড়। হ্যাঁ, ডিবাং ভ্যালি ওয়াইল্ড লাইফ স্যাংচুরি আছে। Bangladesh. From the top over there, entire plains up to Bangladesh, and sitting on the top over there, you can see the entire peaks up to your Bhutan, inside Bhutan. So finally the Lepchas and the Dukpa people, they had war among themselves very often, and then with the help of the Britishers, the rest of its history, 1865, the Cinchula Treaty, and that is how this entire stretch came under India on a later stage. So this was the area which was regularly ruled by the small princes and the small kings, like the Lepcha king was here, the the Kuch Bihar king, the Jalpaiguri king. So all this Duars area was under the different kings, and from time to time the Ahoms used to attack, the Gorkha kings used to attack, and the Dukpa kings used to attack from the top. So they wanted to occupy this area because this was the transition area. The rivers that we see, this was the riverine route. So traders used to come by the rivers. There were no roads. So they came by the riverine routes, and at these places they would change to people back, to horseback, to mule back, to elephant back, and then go all the way through Bhutan into Tibet. So this was a major trade route, and these points were places where they had to change. So there were these famous ghats over here. So when we came through Odlabari, Odlabari is one of the oldest ghats that we see. In the same way, there were different ghats all the way next to the rivers, which did the trade exchange between the different today's countries that we see. Because in those days the countries were different, now the countries are different. So there was this exchange of trade from here, and the revenue used to be paid to the kings or the lords who occupied and who ruled those places and gave shelter to the traders. So this was the exchange. When you see, if you look at the ridge going up over there, that is the Gorubathan Tar. So if you see that the Gorubathan Tar goes up straight and then goes, because this road alignment that we took is a much later road. This was a road which was made much later for the cart to move. But previously the mule used to move through the ridge. So they went through the ridge and went through the ridge, and when they came down over there, from the Dalim you could see everyone. So the Dalim Court or the Dalim Gadi or the Dalim Zong, and above that is the Damsang Gadi or the Damsang Zong. So all these places were wonderful areas of cultural overlapping, trade overlapping, and above all, they are the best biodiversity zones known to the world. So you can see, you can enjoy. This is the Chel River that flows next to you. Once upon a time, this was the alignment, geographical alignment for traders to follow, but today it is a picnic spot. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Name of the river, sir.
Chel. So this is known as the Chel landscape.
খুব ভালো কাজ করতেছো খুব শুভকামনা
First you'll get Jalapla, and then you'll get Chennai. You'll find Har, and then you'll get Chennai. This was the main route.
Oh, before when people used to study, they go to Sikkim.
Yes, they go to Kalimpong through that route. So this route, the Confucian route was not there, no?
Yeah.
So they used to always take that route
People
actually
say
from
come
there.
and so they went all the
So
places.
from there, from Cherela, they used to come to Ha, stay over there, then come to Dilepla, and then come down from Dilepla Juluk, and from Juluk straight come to Algara, Pedong and Algara, and after Pedong Algara to Busan. And from Pedong Algara, when they used to come down to Ruas, they used to take the lava route and they would go down. So this was the main route for the people to come down, Bhutan people to reach to the market down there. And these are dominated by the Bhutanese traders only. So that's the reason always the fight with the Lepcha people were carrying on. Achille was one of very strong Lepcha kings who was, killed actually over there on the Dalim this one. So where you see the Swatan made, just close to that his head came and fell. It is believed, it is a legend. It is. Tanishta, can we have everyone here? Please call everyone here.
সন্ধ্যা সবাইকে ডাক দাও তো একটা।
ফেস্টিভ্যাল অফ কালার, আজকে হোলি, আজকে রঙের উৎসব, বসন্তের উৎসব। হ্যাঁ, আজকে বসন্ত এসে গেছে। আমরা আমাদের খুব কাছের ভাই, আমাদের বাংলাদেশ থেকে আসছে সুমন, সুমনকে একটুখানি রং দিলাম, রঙিন করলাম। আমরা সবাই প্রার্থনা করব তার জীবন যেন এই রঙের মতো রঙিন হয়ে ওঠে এবং অতি সত্বর যেন একটা বিয়ে হয়।
দারুণ 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 দারুণ।
আমরা পাহাড়ের চূড়ায় আছি, হ্যাঁ, খুব সুন্দর
পাহাড়ের
জায়গা।
চূড়ায় হোলি খেলা হচ্ছে নাকি?
হোলি খেলা হচ্ছে। আর বাঙালির হোলি মানে হোলির পরে কি হবে
সেটা
হ্যাঁ, সেটা কেউ এক্সপেক্ট করতেই পারে না।